Let's add a first tool holder. There are multiple ways how you can add a holder, and I'm going to show you a couple of them. And the first and my favorite is by looking at the very left, and here you will see shanks and holders, a component folder or filter. So you can click on it, and these types of components will be listed. You're looking at the holder itself, and you can also do drag and drop over here, or you can also do right click where you can add it above or below these components. And also another way is to do right click where the adapter and holder will be attached, or specifically only adapter or the holder. Let's start with adding adapter and holder together. As you can see, two components in the tree has been located, and on the very left, a default ToolKit component library has been there. We have here adapters, and for this, I will open and show a picture. And while selecting these adapters, you can see a different from the BT, HSK, CAT, and etc. So let me just now add HSK 63, and while my adapter is selected, I can do right click, and I can either add above or below, or I can just replace that adapter there. Another way to do that is just by taking this component, holding now the Alt key on your keyboard, and it will replace your adapter. Here it is, now the adapter is there. What we're missing, it's still a holder itself, and you can find it over here. So I will go there, just randomly select this one with ER16 collet 120 in length, and by holding an Alt key, I will go to the holder and replace this component. I now define fully my holder, and I can also see it in my machine preview. Another way of doing this is, let me just now remove these two components, is when you only have one single holder component which have adapter and holder together in one assembly. You can go over here, you can see that by default database we include with installation milling and also turning STL holders in metric or inch. And I can go over here, and just by looking at all of these, you can see that adapter and holder, have been integrated into single component, and I can now just drag and drop to this assembly, add this holder.